found these mushrooms, and I thought they were really neat. The way they kind of, like, spore into the spider web. Almost looks like you spray painted the leaf or something. This is camp. I got it strung, and there's my pad, chair, fire pit. I may not get fire going tonight. There's honestly not a lot of good deadfall around. I was walking around looking for some good wood that I could use as stakes to set up the rainfly. And everything was just on the ground and punky, so I don't know about a fire tonight. I'm gonna get dinner started though. Oh, it helps to have my utensils ready. Wait 8 minutes, stir again, wait 7 minutes. Okay, my timer has rung, so it is time for the mac and cheese. I think that's filming good, I can't really tell. I'm making some peanut butter bread for breakfast because I forgot jelly, like a fucking retard. Yeah, I want to through hike this place. I'm definitely gonna do the 4C trail this spring sometime. If y'all can see, I'm right there. Down there is a water source of some kind. And when I measure it, it's about 350, 400 yards away. So I'm gonna go see what's coming in and drinking out of there and see if there's anywhere that would be good for a saddle blind in the future. That was a spider web. Walk a little bit and I found a hog rub. So that's a good sign. There's a lot of hardwoods down in here. There is a lot of hardwoods down in here. I'm thinking this would be a really good spot for early bow season when they're still dropping acorns. Especially if it's a wetter season and this gets some water up in here. This would definitely be a great spot to consider for next bow season. That would be deer scat. And it's not too old. It's still pretty dark. It has a little bit of shine to it. I went into town and got lunch. It was great. I had a nice burger. And I was going to go to the very end of this road where it looked like they did some sort of log clearing. And right before I got to the end of the road, I come across this. Well, there's some coyote poop in the road. Oh. So, if I see the culprit, I'll be sure to blast him. Well, guess where I am again? Another creek bottom. Followed this creek for a little bit, and then found a spot that looked good to sit for a little bit. And I'm just sitting. I'm gonna get patient at this spot. I like it. It's nice and quiet. And I didn't see a single vehicle the whole drive up the Forest Service Road in here, so I've got my fingers crossed that this area maybe isn't too pressured with hunters. So we will see.